Excuse me, this is something new in a minute or two.
After you have signed into the Snap and Read Chrome extension, you should see a black toolbar to the right-hand side of the screen. If you do not see the toolbar, simply refresh your website. The first thing you'll want to do is set up your Snap and Read options. You'll note you can change the voice of the reader, the volume, the speed. You want to make sure that it is slow enough for kids to understand the words that are being pronounced, the pitch. Another thing to pay attention to is the simplify vocabulary. This comes into play when students are trying to level the language on a website. Figure out what level would best suit your kids. We recommend low, intermediate to advanced. Showing the reading level icon will show what level the students are reading at on that website. As they change the level with the tools, the numbers will change at the top as well. The dictionary double-click definition should be definitely turned on as a tool. And the translate into is where you select the language that you would like the text to be translated into. Please note, the most popular languages, such as Spanish, French, and German, will have a voice attached to it. However, there are other languages that do not have a translation voice available. After you select your options, you're ready to start using Snap and Read.